Let's make quick work out of importing questions into a Captivate Classic project. I'm going to use this CSV Questions Creation Macro, and this file comes free with Adobe Captivate. You just have to look for it a little bit. It's in your folder where Captivate's installed. Ignore the name that I have here. I pick my own location. But after you find the location where Captivate's installed, you want to look in the gallery, inside quiz, and the file you're looking for right here is called CSV Questions Creation Macro. And I have that macro running right now. I've also already added a question, so I only have to type one. You get to see any typos that I might introduce because my typing, not the best. So I'm going to click here where it says question type, and I'm going to choose multiple choice. But you can see the different choices that you have. I'm going to change the number of points to 10, and I'm going to type a question stem, which is the question, and I'll type what color is the sky during the day when there are no clouds? Okay, it's a terrible question, but you'll get the idea. Answer 1 is purple. See, I told you there'd be typos. Answer 2 is red. Answer 3 is blue. Answer 4, green. The correct answer is blue, of course. It's not a surprise, right? I'll put a little asterisk next to blue. And I'll even give some feedback. For instance, if somebody chooses purple, the feedback will be, it's end of days, run. You know, you get the idea. And I could put anything I want here for my feedback. Maybe it's something I get from the subject matter expert. But in any event, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click Add Question. And that puts the question on this worksheet right here called Question CSV. I'll click OK to that. If I'm going to add more questions, what you want to do now is click Clear Input. That does not clear out the question that you just added. Let me show you where that question went. It's on the Question CSV tab. So here's one I added earlier about golfing and what temperature is perfect. Everybody knows that 70 degrees is perfect for golf, 90 is too hot, that kind of thing. And here is the question I just added, what color is the sky? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the CSV input form. I could add more questions, but I'm not. I'm done. I'm going to click Export to CSV. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to call this Quiz Questions for CPC, Captivate Classic. I'll click Save. I'll click OK to acknowledge that. I'll close the Excel document. I'm not even going to bother saving it. I could. And in Captivate Classic, I just have a Captivate project open. The last step, and it's the most awesome, is you go to Quiz. You choose Import CSV Format File. You find that CSV file you exported. This is it right here. And I'll click Open. And voila, here are the questions in Captivate. Here's the one that you worked with me to create. Here's the one about golf that I made before you got here. Pretty cool, right?